In this training video, I want to give you access to a complete DFY, meaning done for you business in a box. A business box where you have your own sales funnel, own thank you page, own members area, own course, you put your own payment buttons, and you can charge any payment. You could take payment through PayPal, you could take payment through Stripe, you could get paid directly into your bank account, and it's your money and you're earning 100% profit. When I say done for you business in a box, I do not mean that you have to go out there and create a website, you have to create a sales funnel, you have to create a course, you have to create a training video, you have to create tutorials, you have to deliver the product, you have to communicate. I'm not talking about that. No. You don't have to do anything like that. It's just click, 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 and you have a complete business in a box, ready-made, done for you sales funnel, done for you website, done for you landing page. All the selling and telling is done for you. The video does all the selling and telling done for you. You have a complete members area. All the training and tutorials and the course product is all within the members area, all done for you. You have an email swipes ready to go out to the people who are interested in learning about the product, and you just have to click a couple of buttons and those email swipes are straight away delivered directly into your autoresponder. Everything is done for you. Okay, now if you go and hire someone to go get all this done, it's going to cost you a lot of money. They're going to charge you a lot, and normally when you purchase a product, the product is for your use only. You don't have the right to sell it. This product is not just yours, but actually you get to sell it. You get to earn 100% profit, and I'm going to show you how it all works in this video. So let's dive into this video. Okay, so the product that I am talking about is called the Insta Profit System. Okay, it's a product that teaches how to go from 0 to millions of followers on Instagram, how to turn your Instagram account into an autopilot passive income machine, how to promote on Instagram and get unlimited free traffic to any product, any system, any network, and any affiliate offer, how to go out there and monetize your Instagram account in such that people actually reach out to you and tell you to promote their product, and they pay you on a monthly basis to do that. This product is all about Instagram, and it's going to teach you everything. It's just not a product that's going to teach you how to do everything, but actually it's a learn and earn product, which means you're going to learn everything about Instagram. You're going to become an expert when it comes to Instagram. You're going to become a professional when it comes to Instagram, and at the same time you're going to have the right to sell this product as your own and earn 100% profit. Now imagine this, you had a product, your own product, which you are selling to people. Do you think that will build authority in the marketplace for you? Of course it would. If you're just getting started in the make money online space, whether it's affiliate marketing, whether it's promoting other people's products, if you have your own product to sell, instantly it builds credibility and authority in the customer's eyes, and that way you will able to promote different products, different opportunities, and potentially you can make sales and commissions just because you have built that trust and authority in the customer's eyes. You're getting a done for you ready-made product. You can see the sales page down here. This is the exact same sales page you are going to get all done for you. Okay, it's just click, 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 and this sales page will be loaded into your account, and that is free. Yes, that's right, free account, and you will get a same carbon copy sales page just like this, where you can sell this product like it's your own product, and you get to earn 100% profit. Okay, Now, if you want to get access to this product, it's very simple. You could go to this website address that's popping up on the screen. Okay, I'm going to have the links in the description box below this video as well. You can check it out. If you go to this website address, you're going to come to a page just like this, and you can purchase this product. Okay, you can see here, just click on this green button, make the payment. It's a special discount price, special price, only for 27 bucks. You can purchase this product, and when you purchase this product, you're not just getting a complete done for you product and a course that's going to teach you how to make sales and commissions with Instagram, how to turn your Instagram account into an autopilot passive income machine, how to grow your Instagram following, but actually you're getting a product that is completely done for you with all the sales funnels, thank you pages, members area, landing pages, email swipes, and with click, you will able to load this into your free account, and you will able to sell this product like it's your own, and you will able to accept payments with any payment method like PayPal, Stripe, direct bank account transfer, etc. So you're getting a complete done for you business in a box. And let me show you how this is all working out. So if you come here, okay, and once you purchase this product, all right, you're going to go to a thank you page and members area where you're going to learn how to use Instagram. And I highly recommend that when you purchase this product, you go through the training. Okay, it's a very, very powerful training from this person here that you're seeing on the screen. Okay, this woman has generated $2.3 million using Instagram, okay? And she teaches you exactly how she's done it, how she turned her Instagram account into a passive income machine, and how she's willing to help others do the same, all right? So when you go through the training, you're going to learn everything all about Instagram, and at the same time with Instagram, you're getting access to a complete done for you business in a box like it's your own product, so you can sell and earn 100% profit. So let me show you. Check this out. When you enroll today, you're going to get 6 exclusive bonuses for free, okay? So one of the bonuses is viral videos hook vault. These are hooks that stops the scroll. So you probably see on TikTok and Instagram that in the first 2 to 5 seconds is the main important part, okay? That's the hook. If someone is not interested, they will just scroll past. So you have to grab that attention to keep them watching. So you're going to get 100 plus of that. That's for free. You're going to get the best performing product ideas that can consistently generate you up to $50 to $200 a day. Potential sales in with minimum effort. Okay, that's the second bonus. The third bonus, you're getting a done for you sales system, which means you're getting this exact product with the same sales funnel, thank you page, members area, everything, all for free. Email swaps with one click. You just click, and you can load it into your account and start selling. Okay. Then you're getting the master reseller license, which means you're going to earn 100% profit, just like it's your own product. And then you can go out there, build that trust, build that authority and momentum in the customer's eyes by telling them, hey, I have a product on Instagram. If you want to purchase it, you can check it out. It's a very great product. Okay. And they might ask you, hey, is that your product? Yes, my product. You can buy it, and it's cheap as well. And you can go out there and sell this product, and this product is selling like hotcake, okay? And then you're going to get writing high coveted copies in a 15-minute high coveted copy. Discover how to write words that sell, even if you've never written a word before. Remember, when it comes to email, people pay thousands of dollars to get these email written, okay? Email copy is one of the important parts of this business. If your title is something that's going to grab people's attention, that's how you're going to start making money, right? So email is a very important part. You're going to learn exactly those words that triggers people's attention to force them to open the email, all right? And then the 24-hour launch checklist. You're going to get exactly how to start making passive income very quickly and very, very fast. So if you're interested, it's got a special discount price on this, 27 bucks. You get everything, and you get to sell this as your own. But the best part is that it's a product that's going to make you an expert when it comes to Instagram. No more fluff, no more struggle. If you've been struggling to get traffic, there you go. You have the solution. If you've been struggling to get free traffic, there you go. You have the solution. And if you've been looking for a way where you can generate unlimited quality buyer free traffic and become an expert, you have the solution here. You can learn everything all about Instagram on how to grow that account and how to take it to the next level. All right. So you can see here, you can grab this right now. Link popping up on the screen. Open up a new browser, go to this website address, or just scroll down, check my description box below this video, and you're going to find all the links to purchase this product. And when you purchase this product, trust me, and I promise you're going to find so much golden nuggets in this product. You're going to love this product. You're going to become a fan of this product. And not just that, you're going to actually say thank you to me for actually giving you something that's going to help you build that authority, trust, momentum, and build your business and take it to the next level. All right. So this is a complete done for you internet business in a box that you're getting with click, click, click. Okay. And you can go out there and start selling it as your own and start making 100% profit.